Alright guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how you can travel from one level to the next level just by making a simple little trigger box. It's going to be fun guys, it's going to be really easy. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to travel to a new level in Unreal Engine 5, and this is a pretty easy tutorial. It'll be pretty quick. What we're going to want to do first is go down to your content drawer here and right click, and we're going to want to create a new blueprint class here, and this is going to be of type actor, and we'll just call this TBP for trigger box blueprint, and we'll just new level. You can name it whatever you want, but yeah. And then we're going to open this up here, and when you open that up, I'm going to go ahead and add this to this main page. Go up here to your components panel here, and we're going to want to add a box collision to it here, and we'll just make this like, say, we'll leave it at 1 for now. You can adjust that later, but once you, with box selected over here, just scroll down here, and we're looking for on the bottom on this component begin overlap. If you just click this little plus sign right here, it'll bring you this, and from here all you got to do is on this overlap is grab this other actor here, and from here we want to cast to our BP third person character. Alright, and from there just go ahead, just in case you want to use this later, I just make it, I always go ahead and promote it to a variable just to make sure, but yeah, just promote that to a variable, and then go ahead and compile, save, and then from here we just want to open level by name. Alright, and for now we don't have another level, so let's go over here, let's compile and let's save, and we can go ahead and drag this out into our world. We'll just put it like right here, maybe pull it up a little bit, hit this scale, and let's make this like, I don't know, 5. Yeah, that'll be fine. And we'll just set this to be like right when we start going up, you know, this little area here. And actually, yeah, let's move it over here to where it's like we're going down the ramp. Okay, because we're going to start up here. All right, and that'll be okay from now. But next thing, let's go up here and let's create a new level, and we'll just have it just like a regular basic level here. And then in here, let's save this level as we'll just call it it says new map, we'll just say level. Alright, and before you save it, go ahead and highlight it, right click, and copy this, because we're going to need to copy this exact same name into our blueprint over here, which if you open it up, just go ahead and right click there, and that should be good there. Alright, and now compile and save. Let's go back over here to our go back to your level. Let's go back over here to our regular level, which, where is it at? Yeah, we guess we got to pull it out from here. So let's go, I think they got this, yeah, LVL third person. All right, so here's our trigger box blueprint, and now if you just press play, it's one of these over here. It's either that one or that one, but we'll see. I'll go over here. Okay, it's not that one, so it must be this one. All right, and it didn't work, so let's see what's going on. All right, we go over here, and then all right, on component and overlap. Okay, so I don't think we went through the right one. You know what we're gonna do? Okay, let's make this to where we can see this in the game, because I think we didn't go to the right one. I think that's the only thing. Okay, so all right, let me see. Actor hidden in game. Let's just put something in here just so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so let's add like a static mesh right here, And let's go over here and let's just put, let's say like this spear, so we can see it, because I'm not sure we actually went through the right area. So let's see, background cube. Okay, no, that's way too much. Yeah, what about this spear? Let's see, cone. Sure. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. We'll just make this cone like a 0.2 or something. Yeah. All right, so now we'll know where it's actually at, and we'll know if we actually had a problem or not. Okay, so there it is. There's a cone. Let's see if we can find it now. There it is. So now we should be able to walk right over here, and there we go. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah, it's really as simple as that. And now we're in our new level. So it's really just, it's really as simple as that, guys. I mean, all you have to do is just create this little trigger box here, and just come over here and on overlap. I mean, you can pretty much go wherever you want, and you can do this with any level that you want to do. But yeah, quick and easy, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.